This is the Marumi Magnetic Movie Filters kit, and today we are going to find out how good those are. In this kit you will find 4 magnetic ND filters which are particularly useful for cinematography as well as for photography. But first, big thanks to Marumi Poland for providing this kit for review. However, what you are about to hear is 100% my opinion after a couple of months using those filters in my projects. Inside this nice pouch bag you will discover a couple of ND filters. Alongside the filters there is a ring that you can mount onto your camera. And now you can easily attach the magnetic filters. Additionally, there is this magnetic cover that is meant for use on the ring or in front of any of the filters. Within this kit you get 4 filters, each with different stops ranging from 1 to 4, all very well marked for easy identification. Now, why an ND filter is an essential accessory in the cinematographer's kit? Simply because they provide you with full control of the shutter speed. They enable the use of wide apertures like 2.8 or 1.8 in bright environments, giving more creativity control over the exposure and depth of field. Like I said at the beginning, I've been using the Marumi Magnetic ND filters for already a couple of months. And aside from the convenient way of switching between them, they are quite pleasing. I haven't noticed any significant color shift in the footage I shot. If you ask me, why do I prefer fixed filters over variable ones? Because fixed filters are basically made out of single glass and typically have fewer optical issues like color tinting or reduced sharpness. And you might think the variable filters offers versatility. Yes, but that's actually not an advantage, in my opinion of course, and I will tell you why. When you are filming a project you need to be consistent during the whole shooting process. And what's gonna happen when in the middle of the shooting, the minimum movement of the variable filter will change your image. Okay, you would say this is just a minor problem. But yeah, this will add time later when you will be editing the project or when your editor will be working on that. And that's why I always use and recommend to use fixed stop filters in your projects. Now, the Marumi Magnetic ND filters are really light, but don't be fooled by this, they hold very tight. I have used those filters in very demanding projects where the bouncing of the camera was huge and they never drop. When it comes to the skin tones, they don't affect them much, and this is an excellent news later when you are editing the material and you have people on it. In this kit you get 4 ND filters with fixed stops, but what if you at some point in the project you need a different filter with a different stop that you don't have? You can stack them, giving you a lot of creative possibilities and adjusting to your needs. I already mentioned before about the consistency of the image during the whole shooting process, and with the Marumi Magnetic ND filters you can achieve that. It doesn't matter which one of the 4 you are using at the moment, every time you are switching between them you will get exactly the same colors. And this is, like I said, and I want to repeat that, this is very important when you are going to deliver and when you are going to work in a filming project. And believe me, this is going to save you tons of work later in the post-production. In conclusion, I really appreciate the quality and ease of operation of these Marumi ND magnetic filters, and this kit has become a must for me in every shoot. So if you are taking serious the cinematography and your career in this field, this is definitely a kit worth considering. But of course keep in mind that your gear and the accessory that you are using must align with your workflow. That being said, I really hope that you enjoyed this video and something really useful stays with you after this. But before I finish, I guess you noticed that I also own the Black Mist magnetic filters from Marumi. And actually I shot the entire video with the 1.4 Black Mist magnetic filter from Marumi, and let me know in the comments if you would like to have a review about those ones. Thanks for watching and I will see you the next time. Bye bye.